Microsoft PowerPoint, Module 3, Choosing a Design and Inserting and Formatting Text. Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we'll learn how to choose a design for your presentation and how to insert and format text. This will help you set the foundation for your How Many Animals activity. Let's get creative. PowerPoint offers various design themes to make your presentation visually appealing. Applying a theme. Go to the Design tab on the ribbon. You'll see a variety of themes in the Themes group. Click on a theme to apply it to your presentation. Tip: hover over a theme to see a preview on your slide. Customizing the theme. You can further customize the theme by changing the color scheme and fonts. In the Design tab, click on Variants. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Colors. Choose a color scheme that suits your activity. Changing fonts. Click on Variants. Select Fonts. Choose a font style that's clear and easy to read. Inserting text. Now let's add some text to our slides. Click on the title slide. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. Type How Many Animals. Adding a subtitle. Click on the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder. Type something like an interactive counting activity. Adding text to other slides. Go to the next slide or add a new slide. Home tab, New Slide, Title, and Content Layout. Click on the Click to Add Text placeholder. Type a question or instruction such as, "How many chickens do you see?" Repeat these steps for other animals you plan to include in your activity. Formatting text. Make your text stand out by formatting it. Select the text you want to format. In the Home tab, go to the Font group. Change the font size, font style, and font color. Applying text effects. With the text selected, click on Text Effects. Looks like an A with a glowing outline. Choose effects like shadow, reflection, or glow. Tip: use larger fonts and bright colors to capture the children's attention. Bullet points and numbered lists. If you need to list items, you can use bullet points or numbered lists. Adding bullet points. Click on the text placeholder. In the Home tab, click on the bullets icon in the paragraph group. Type your list items. Aligning and spacing text. Ensure your text is well positioned and easy to read. Aligning text. Select the text box or placeholder. In the Home tab, use the alignment options in the paragraph group to align text left, center, or right. Adjusting line spacing. Select your text. Click on Line Spacing in the paragraph group. Choose the desired spacing. Great job! You've learned how to choose a design theme, insert text, and format it to make your presentation engaging. In Module 4, we'll learn how to insert and work with images, videos, shapes, and smart art to enhance our How Many Animals activity. See you in the next module.